People act. People act. People act.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really exciting one for me because we're going to be unboxing my new vanity mirror, and I'm so happy. If you guys are new to this channel, I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I do most of the time beauty videos but also kind of lifestyle videos. So if you guys like this video or you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to give this video a like. Also go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload, and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you guys want to see my new vanity mirror, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so here is the box and we're going to go ahead and open this up. Okay you guys, so it comes in a box like this, and again we are just gonna go and open this up. Alright, so it comes with the instruction manual, and it comes really good, like, packaged up. Like, look at all of this. Really good. So we're just going to go ahead and start cutting the tape. Alright, and here it is. We're going to go ahead and put it in my vanity.
People act.
like it. It has 3 settings, so let me just turn it off. So this is obviously off, and then we have our very like cool type of tone, which probably won't be the one that I use most. And then we have the second one, which is a very natural warm light, which I actually do like. I think it's the more I don't know, it favors me more. And then we have the one that I think it's kind of in between. I think this is the one that I would probably use to do my makeup because it's just so nice and I really like the color it gives. So yeah, you guys, this is it. Again, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna link this mirror in the description box. This was $65 off of Amazon. I think after tax I paid like, actually I don't know, so I'm not gonna say anything because I don't remember. But yeah, I think it's a great deal. I love that it connects to the back and you don't have to put batteries, because the last one that I have, which let me show you guys. This is the last one that I had, which is completely dirty, but it needed batteries and it was just the worst. It was still nice, but it needed so many batteries. It was just horrible. So I really like this one, and yeah, so I'm really happy with my purchase. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. And remember, if you are interested in this vanity mirror, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase one for yourself. And yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.